Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today kata titled Abbreviate a two-word name. The task is write a function to convert a name into initial. This kata circle takes two words with one space in between them. Okay. And the output should be two capital letters. Okay. Some headers, it should be S and H joined by dot. Okay, good. Let's start. Okay, we have a function abbreviate name and our code here. Okay, let's see what we have. Console.log and name and check. Good, okay, now we need to separate the string by a white space. Okay, so then we should take an array that should be name and split by a white space. Okay, and now I need to take first name. It should be the first element of that array, and index should be 0, and the second name should be surname, the second element of that array. Good, and now my result is should be first name and first element of that string, index 0, and plus dot, and plus surname, and return that result. Let's check. Okay, now I see passed but fail because it is lowercase. Oh, and here we have mixed case. Good. Okay, in that case, I need to convert these characters into uppercase. So I use two uppercase, not two uppercase methods. And here's also two uppercase. Let's check. Good, now that's fine. Okay, let's use the structure for this array. Okay, first element and the structure this array into first name and surname. Okay, and just error. Good. Now let's use a string literal here. Dot itself and one more. Good, let's test. Now it works. Now I can change this part of my solution and to apply don't repeat yourself principle in order to make my solution better. Okay, how I can do that? This first element and this first element, I can join them by join method from the array. Good. So I need this array and join both elements by join methods. How I can iterate over these two elements? I can do that by for each method or by map method. I like map method because in that case I will take a new array and can apply to that array join methods. Good. Let's do that. I don't need this anymore. Okay, over array, then map, and is for as element. Let's convert that element to uppercase and then just join them using dot character. Let's try. Good. Now let's refactor the solution. I don't need this part. I can just put it here. This part also I don't need it. I can put it here. Good. Replace this by arrow function. Consider name and just an arrow. Good. Make this cleaner. Now I can read it. Okay, let's test. Yes, now it works. All 209 tests passed. Good, I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.